So people ask, people assume that if they don't visit dodgy websites, that they're not at risk for contracting ransomware on their computer, or malware in general, actually. But that's not the case. A lot of ransomware campaigns we see actually revolve around spam. And spam is social engineering, and you can be careful about what emails you open, what attachments you open, but sometimes people let their guard down, they're distracted, they're busy, and they may just open that attachment that gets them infected. So the two ways you're going to get infected by pretty much any malware are opening an email attachment or via a drive-by download, which is an exploit kit on a website. And exploit kits don't just exist on dodgy websites. And the reason for this is that there's this thing called malvertising, where exploit kits and malicious code are actually put into legitimate ad-serving services, which then provide ad banners to legitimate websites like news sites, forums, and stuff like that, places that you might visit. And so by visiting a regular, legitimate website, non-dodgy website that you go to every day, you may just encounter an exploit kit that runs in one of those ad banners. And in those cases, the thing will be completely non-interactive. It'll just happen. It'll just download the payload, run it, and you'll start getting your files encrypted. And that can happen at any time. So you don't have to be visiting dodgy websites to get infected.